Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to reset your laptop like new. Open settings and click on the system. Now scroll down and click on recovery. Now click on reset this PC and then reset PC. As you can see there two options are showing. Keep my files and remove everything. Keep my files keeps your personal files like documents, photos, etc. But keep this thing in your mind, it will remove your apps. And remove everything option deletes all files, apps and settings. I will select keep my files. You can choose remove everything if you want a full clean reset. Then choose reinstall. Now you Now you will see two choices, cloud download and local reinstall. Cloud download downloads Windows from the internet, and the second one uses files already on your computer, which is a faster way. So I recommend local reinstall. Then click next. Wait for Windows to prepare. You can check which apps will be removed. Finally press reset and your laptop will restart. That is it. Your laptop will reset and feel like brand new. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe